Right. In the last class, we have successfully discussed about why everybody using frameworks. Okay. Right. And what is the difference between client-side technologies and server-side technologies? Everything we have discussed successfully. Okay, everybody. Right. So now one more time, I want to tell you that. Then after we'll go to this. Then after I want to explain about this differences between JavaScript and TypeScript technologies also. Okay, JavaScript and TypeScript languages also. Understand it, everybody? Please respond. Okay, right. So first of all, if you observe here, what is Angular? Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework. What is that, everyone? Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company. What is that, everybody? Developed by Google company using TypeScript language. Using what? Using TypeScript language. Okay, right. So each and every framework or library, each and every framework or library has to develop by using any language only. Yeah, it has to develop by using any language only. For example, this Angular is developed by Google. React.js is a library that is developed by JavaScript only. Okay, so this Angular is developed by TypeScript language. React.js is developed by JavaScript language. In the same way, Spring, Hibernate, Struts are the different frameworks we have. Those are all developed by Java. Okay. Then after Code Igniter, Laravel frameworks are there. That is developed by PHP. Okay. Right. Django framework is there. That is developed by Python. Express.js framework is there. That is developed by Node.js. By using Node.js language only. Okay, everyone. In the same way. Okay. So by using languages, we can develop n number of frameworks or libraries. By using languages, we can develop n number of frameworks and libraries. But by using libraries and frameworks, we cannot develop a language. By using libraries and frameworks, we cannot develop a language. Clear it, everyone? We cannot develop a language. So why everybody using nowadays frameworks or libraries to develop their application? Why? Because whenever you want to develop the applications, we need to take care of three main things. What are they? Security, performance, SEO friendly URLs. Security, performance, SEO friendly URLs. How this security, performance, SEO friendly URLs will come? So they don't come automatically. Okay, they don't come automatically. Okay, we need to program for that. If we choose any core language, we need to program for that. Okay, so structure also, this one, security also, performance also, and SEO friendly URLs also, we need to generate through programming only. So to write a program for that purpose, okay, to give basic structure related to security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs purpose, at least it will take 3 to 6 months time to develop that structure. Depends upon your application size and requirements. Okay, depends upon your application size and requirements. It will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. It will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Okay, to give basic structure related to that. Okay, everybody, right? So, but if we choose any framework, what happens? Within 1 or 2 minutes, we can download that framework. Maximum 5 minutes, we can download that framework. That framework automatically contains basic structure related to security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. Okay, that framework automatically contains that structure. But here in core language, that structure also we need to develop by our own, by writing our code. So it will take minimum, it will take 3 to 6 months time also. Okay, everybody, right? So first one, framework, it is immediately it is coming. Okay, whenever you download the framework, immediately that structure is coming. But here in the core language, that structure also we need to write by our own. It will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Okay, right? So that's why everybody using framework nowadays. Why? Because automatically structure is coming. Okay, immediately. Okay, we can develop our business related logic. Immediately we can develop our business related logic. Understand, everyone? Please respond.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. But in the languages, we need to write everything by our own only. Okay, by languages, we need to write everything by our own only. Okay, right. So why we need to take care of security? Okay, performance and SEO friendly URLs. That point also we need to discuss. That point also we need to discuss. Why? Because, for example, you are using any mobile transferring app. Okay, so to transfer the money, it is taking very less time. Okay, 10 to 20 seconds only it is taking maximum. 10 to 20 seconds only it is taking maximum. Okay, right. You are transferring 20,000 rupees to your home. In these 10 to 20 seconds also, somebody hacked that session, somebody theft that money. Do you use that application second time to transfer money? Do you use that application second time to transfer that money? Respond.
No.
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 Why? Because you are losing your money. And not only that, if you lose 5 to 10 rupees, it's okay. You will leave it like that. You don't use that application. But whenever you are losing 20,000, 30,000 like that very big amount, then what happens? You will file a complaint also. You will register a complaint also in the police station. So that app owner has to face legal issues. Not only that, they will lose all their users also. Okay, everybody? Right. So not only developing the application, but we need to take care of security. If there is no security, then nobody uses our application. So that we will lose our application users. Not only that, they will file complaint on our application also. That is one thing. So that's why we need to take care of security. So our application should have more security. Okay, right. And second thing is what? Performance. So why we need to take care of performance? For example, you have developed an application that is very secure, but to transfer the money, it is taking 2 hours time. So do you, okay, for example, you went to any career point. Okay, you want to transfer the 30 rupees. Okay, so transfer the 30 rupees, it is taking 2 to 3 hours time. So do you wait there to transfer 30 rupees? Do you wait there 3 hours? Respond everybody.
No.
No, sir.
No.
No.
And the curry point one also has to provide that much space, okay, for their customers, okay, to stand there and to transfer the money also. So for each and every 5 minutes, okay, number of customers will be increases. So all the persons has to wait there. All the customers has to wait there to transfer the money. All the customers has to wait there to transfer the money. All the customers has to wait there to transfer the money. Okay, everybody, then what happens? That business owner see 1 day, 2 day, but third day onwards, he don't use your payment gateway. Okay, he don't use your phone pay. Yeah, he don't use your app. Okay, he will choose any other app. Why? Because it is taking 2 to 3 hours time. So your application should be secure and your application should be performance also. Okay, your application should be perform also very well, very faster. It should be secure, it should be faster at the same time, irrespective of the number of users are using at the same time. Okay, right. And then after, what is the other thing we have? SEO friendly URLs. For example, you have developed an application, it is very secure and it is very performing also very high. Okay, but no users are using because you are not promoting. Is there any use of the application? Do you generate any money? If no users are using, do you generate the money? Respond everybody.
No.
No, sir.
No. So how can I get a new users? By promoting our application. So where should I promote our application? In the internet. So how can I promote? By using SEO, by using SMO. SMO stands for social media optimization. We need to create ads, okay, by using Photoshop or else any other things. Okay, we need to promote our application. So it's okay. Everybody can do that. But SEO, if you want to do the SEO, we need to use keywords and description. Not only that, that SEO depends upon the URLs, whatever you are generating also. Depends upon that only your application will come in the first place. Okay, everybody. So that URLs also we need to generate. That URLs also. So who will decide that pattern? Every company there is a digital marketing team will be there. In that team there is a SEO person will be there. So he will design that he will decide that URL pattern. According to that pattern, we need to generate the URLs. Based on that pattern, we need to generate the URLs. Okay, everybody? Right. But all these three things, yeah, see, these frameworks will provide, okay, automatically. Okay, these frameworks will provide automatically. It will provide the basic structure. Depends upon that structure, we need to extract. Clear it, everybody? That's why we need to promote our application also in the SEO. Why? Because we will get the new users. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs are very, very important. So by using SEO friendly URLs only, we can our application will recognize by the users whenever they are searching in the Google. So if they are interested, they will start using our application. But whenever they start using our application, that should work faster. At the same time, it should be very secure. It should be very secure. At the same time, it should be very faster. Both are very, very important. Okay, everybody, if you satisfy security level and performance level, then only will our users will use more and more times. Okay, right. So what it is? It is a framework. Okay, right. But what type of framework? Client side framework. Okay, client side. So how many types of technologies we have in the software industry? We have two types of technologies in the software industry. We have two types of technologies in the software industry. What are they? Client side technologies and server side technologies. So what are the advantages of, what are the differences between them? Client side and server side technologies, what are the differences? What are the differences? So first thing is, okay, by using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. By using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. How we can store our temporarily? How we can store our data temporarily? By using cookies, by using local storage, by using session storage. Where is this cookies, local storage, and session storage available? Okay, in the JavaScript language only. We have three types of client-side technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, everybody, all the client-side technologies of frameworks and libraries has to develop by using these technologies only. Okay, right. So in this also, only JavaScript contains cookies, local storage, and session storage. So if you want to store your data temporarily also, we must use JavaScript only. We must use JavaScript only. Clear it, everybody? Hello? Right. We must use JavaScript only. Okay. Right. HTML and CSS, that is not used for storing purpose. That is used for only structure purpose. We can provide structure to our data, but we cannot store the data in the user's browser. Clear it, everybody? Right. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the client-side technologies. Okay, right. And that relevant technology is also client-side only. Okay, right. Then after, what is server-side technology? So by using server-side technology, we can store our data permanently. We can store our data permanently. So how? If you want to store your data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. We need to store that data in a database. If you want to store your data permanently, we need to store the data in a database. So whatever the technology you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database, because whenever there is a connection, then only you are able to store. Okay, to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Why to manipulate? Because every day data will be changes. Somebody will update, somebody will delete, somebody will insert. Okay, so we need to connect, not only connect, we need to manipulate the database also. So the technologies which have the capacity to connect and to manipulate the database, those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. What are the examples of server-side technologies? For example, C, C++, Node.js, Java, PHP, Python, Ruby on Rails, .NET. These are all the server-side technologies. By using these technologies, we can connect at least one database. At least one database. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Right. So the technologies, whatever having the capacity to connect with the database, those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Okay, everyone? Right. So now, what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? Of course, ours is client-side technologies. Okay, but we need to know a little bit knowledge also, right? So, what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? Respond, everybody. One thing is we can store our data permanently. What is that, everybody? We can store our data permanently. What is the advantage of storing our data in the database? We can store the data permanently. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Okay, right. And second, why are you not responding?
Yes, sir.
Right. And second thing is we can organize and manage our data so that we can access the data faster. What is the meaning of organizing and managing? Okay, how it will make our data faster? Very simple. For example, you want to store the data in the database. How we will store? Okay, in a single database, directly we cannot store. We need to create into tables. So in a single table, can you store? No. If you store entire data in a single table, what happens? It will be very messy. For example, we all have clothes. Okay, so we'll wash it also. Okay, we'll wash our clothes also. After that, we'll keep in the sun. After that, okay, to dry. Once the clothes are dry, what happens? Somebody will cut the clothes and they will just keep in the chair or else sofa like that. They don't separate the clothes also. Okay, mother's clothes, father's clothes, children clothes, everything they will keep in the same place. Then what happens whenever they want to go to outside, okay, any single person or two persons, they cannot find that clothes very faster. They need to check all the clothes, then only they are able to find that clothes. But somebody, what they will do after keeping in the sofa or chair, again they will separate. Separating means organizing only. So mother's clothes they will separate and they will keep in the mother's shelf only. My father's clothes they will separate. They will keep in the father's shelf. Then after children also, elder children, okay, younger children, like that they will separate the clothes also. Then what happens whenever they want to go outside, immediately they can find their clothes very faster. So comparatively organized, okay, non-organizing, who is organizing their clothes, they are getting their clothes faster. In the same way, here also, if you want to store the data in the database, we need to store in the form of tabular format. But if you are keeping every data in a single table, that will be very messy. That's why what the thing we'll do, we'll create multiple tables. In that multiple tables, we'll store appropriate data. For example, in the users table, we will store users data. Products table, products data. Orders table, orders data. Categories table, categories data. Subcategories table, subcategories data. Then what happens whenever we want to display the data, categories also, products also, users also, we'll write a query from that table only. If you want to, okay, get multiple tables data, then we'll use joins also. Okay, everyone. But though, okay, we are using joins, what happens since we are separating the data in multiple tables, we'll get the data faster. Understand, everybody? We will get the data faster. Okay, this is called organizing and managing, so that we are able to get the data faster. Is this point clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Then after third point, we can use same data in multiple places. If we modify data in the database, then data will be updated immediately in all the places. Wherever we have the same data. This is called dynamic behavior. In simple words, dynamic behavior means if we change in one place, if it is affecting other places also. If we change in one place, if it is affecting other places also, that is called dynamic behavior. That is called dynamic behavior. Okay, everybody, a second. That is called dynamic behavior. For example, I have A1 page, A2 page, okay, A3, A4 up to A100 pages. In all 100 pages, I have same data. Okay, then what is the thing I will do? I will store the data in a table. Okay, for example, pages, page ID, page name, page content. And in the page content series, I will keep all the data. Okay, in the page content, I will keep all the data in each and every page also. Okay, right, then what happens? First day I will open all 100 pages and each and every page I will add the query. Select star from pages where page content, page ID equal to 1, where page ID equal to 2, where page ID equal to 3. Different pages I will write different IDs. Okay, everybody, right? Okay, or else we will keep in a single table also, single data only. Same query I will write. Select star from pages. Okay, right, that's it. Select star from pages. That's it. So in all 100 pages, I will page the same query. So of course, in first day it will take little bit time, half an hour, 1 hour it will take, because we are writing in the 100 pages. But in next day onwards, what happens? Whenever client told any changes, for example, he want to add one more paragraph extra in the last, then what would I do? I will add that paragraph in the last. Then what happens? Since you are writing query from that table only, automatically the data will affect in all 100 pages also. So we are manipulating one single table, but is affecting all 100 pages also. Clear it, everybody? Respond. Okay.
Yes.
This is called dynamic behavior. So we can add dynamic behavior for our data. Okay, right. Then after everybody can see the same data, same information with all updated data. Updation of data will be very easy. For example, I am reading an article about Michael Jackson in the Wikipedia. Okay, everyone, I am reading an article about Michael Jackson in the Wikipedia. I am reading from India. Somebody opened an article about Michael Jackson. He is reading from US. He is also reading in the Wikipedia only. Both will see the same data or different data? Both will see the same data or different data? Respond, everybody. Both will
Same
see
data.
same data. Okay, why? Because they are storing the data in the database. From there only they are retrieving. If anybody update the data also, immediately everybody can see the updated data. That is the advantage. For example, if you open Amazon.in and if you search for Reebok shoes, okay, everybody will see the same data. Okay, everybody can see the same data. Okay, everyone, right? Okay, this is one thing is available. Then after, no need to do the same work multiple times. What is the meaning of this? For example, there is so many products in the Myntra. See, everybody, there is so many products in the Myntra. I want to purchase this shirt. Can you purchase this shirt directly? Respond, everybody. Can you purchase this shirt directly?
No, sir.
No, we cannot purchase this shirt directly. Okay, we must log in. Log in directly? No, you must register. So whenever you are registering, what happens? They will store this data, your data, in their database. So what is the advantage? For example, today I have purchased a shirt. After 2 days, 3 days, you got this shirt and you have tried. So the cloth quality is very good, fitting also very good, and the colors and everything is very good. So you like that shirt and you like that brand also. Then you have decided you want to purchase another shirt also. Then what happened? Again, you have opened Myntra.com and you have searched for Nautica shirts. Then what happened? You have purchased also. Okay. But what this time what happened? They will ask you to register? No. They will just ask you to log in only. Once you don't log in, again they don't ask you to log in also. Okay, understand, everybody? Okay. So one time you are registering, then how many times you want, you can purchase the shirts. Again and again, no need to register. For example, if they don't save in the database, what happens? Each and every time whenever you want to purchase, you need to register there. Clear, everyone? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, right. So whenever you are registering completed, okay, then after they will ask you to log in. Why they will ask you to log in? Already have registered, right? Why every time whenever, so of course we log out every time. So why they will ask you to every time log in? Why? Because they want to track your information. So tracking our information is illegal, right? No, that is correct only. That is legal also. Why? Why? Because, for example, today you have ordering the shirt. Or today you have got this shirt also. What is that? 31st July 2024. Okay, somebody what they will do? They will use the shirt up to 2 years. 31st July 2026. Then after they will feel bored. Okay, then what happens? They will return that product. They will keep the return. Okay, everyone. Then what happens? Whenever they keep the return, that Myntra person has to accept that request. What is that, everybody? They need to accept that return. Okay, why? Because they will keep this as, okay, we have sent me wrong product, user product, like that they will keep that. then what happens? They need to accept that. Why? Because they are not tracking your information. Okay, everyone. So somebody will do like this also. That's why each and every time whenever you are purchasing the clothes or else anything, any products, they will track your information by throwing login. So by logging in, they will track your information like when are you login, who is the person is login. Then after not only your information, they will track products information also, product brand, product color, product size, okay, product description, okay, product purchase date, everything they will track. Then after whenever the any user return that, okay, then immediately they will check that return period is available or not, same product or not, everything they will check. Okay, once the delivery agent came also they will check same product or not and everything. Once everything is clear, then only they will approve your return. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Okay, so that's why they will ask you to log in. Okay, just knowledge purpose I'm telling. Okay, everybody, right? So this is the advantages of the database. No need to do the same work multiple times. So whenever you register one time, that's it. That is permanent. Okay, how many products, how many times you want, you can purchase that. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Advantages.
Yes, sir, cleared.
Right, 1 second, everybody. Right. Okay, right. This is the advantage of the storing our data data in the database. But what is our technology? What is our technology? Ours is client side technology. By using client side technology, we are able to store. Okay, we are able to connect with the database. No. Okay, without connecting to the database. Okay, without connecting to the database, can we deal with the data? No. Without dealing with the data, can we display the data? No. Without displaying the data, users will use our application? No. For example, you have opened Myntra.com. Not only you, 100 persons are opened this Myntra.com. Okay, everybody? Right. So 100 times they have 100 people are opening 100 times in a single day. But no single product, nothing is displaying the website. Do you open second time, second day? Respond everybody. Today I have opened 100 times, you have tried. Okay, it is not showing any products. Do you open in the second day? Respond everybody.
No, no, sir.
No. Okay, out of 100, 10 people will open second time. That means they have lost 90% of the users. Okay, second day also you have tried this time 200 times in different times. Okay, morning 20 times, afternoon 20 times, evening 50 times, night 100 times also you have checked. Okay, everybody, but still there is no products. Okay, they are not displaying any products. Empty page they are displaying, white page. Okay, do you open third day? No, out of 10, only one person will open third time. So third time, third day also that person is opening, okay, 400 times. Morning 100 times, afternoon 100 times, evening 100 times, night also 100 times. But still they are not displaying the products. Does he open fourth day? No. So first day, okay, yeah, they got 100 users. There is no data. Second day they have lost 90% of their users. Third day they have lost 99% of their users. Fourth day they lost 100% of the users. Why? There is no security issue, there is no performance issue, but there is no products. So if there is no data, no users. For example, you are coming to the class, you are also sitting idle, okay, without speaking anything. I am also sitting idle, I am also not speaking anything. Do you pay the fee tomorrow? Respond. Do you pay the fee tomorrow without telling anything?
No.
No. Why? No data transferring from us. Okay, I'm not teaching you anything. So if there is no data transferring, if there is no data, if you are not getting any data, so you don't pay the money. Okay, in the same way here also, if they are not displaying any data, see, this products also data only. Whatever the products I have, that information I am sharing through Myntra. Okay, right. So whenever there is no information, nobody uses our application. But ours is client side technology. By using, so this is they are storing the data in the database. By using client side, we are not able to connect, deal, and display the data. Then why we are using this technology? Of course, we are not connected to this database directly. Okay, we are not able to connect with the database directly, and we are not able to deal with data directly, but indirectly we are able to deal that. How? By using REST APIs. So where are we using this REST APIs? In real time. Where are we using REST APIs? In real time. Example, tell me everyone, where are we using in real time? One app, suggest me one thing. For example, you know PhonePe, right? Respond everybody.
Yes.
By using PhonePe, can you pay your electricity bill or not?
Yes, sir.
By you can recharge your mobile or not?
Yes.
Okay, you can pay your LIC, you can pay your e-challan and everything also. So for example, consider about the electricity department. Okay, when now, so how can you pay your electricity bill? We need to enter our service number, right everybody? We need to enter our service number. Okay everyone, right? So whenever you enter your service number, what happens? Immediately we see all your details also. Okay, your home name, your home address, okay, your current bill, your pending bill, everything you will get. Have you ever think, why am I getting my details here? Because PhonePe is not organizing electricity in our states. PhonePe is not the owner of electricity department. Okay, understand everybody? PhonePe is the, okay, right. PhonePe is not the owner. Electricity department is there. Okay, so many electricity department are there. They are the owner of these things. Clear or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Understood.
so since they are the owner, they need to collect the information. They need to collect the information. Whenever they are collecting, only in their database only they need to show. Sorry, right. Only in their applications only they need to share our data. But why and how they are this PhonePe getting this PhonePe persons are displaying our data, and how they are able to display? So generally they are not able to display. Why? Because electricity department database, PhonePe database, both are different. No single application shares the same database. Okay, of course, Flipkart and Myntra, owner is same, but their database are different. Their servers are different. Okay, so both are belongs to same owner, both are running through same company, but still they are not sharing their database details. Okay, everybody, in the same way, electricity department and PhonePe both don't know their database details. So without knowing the database details, how they are connecting, how they are displaying, very simple, through REST APIs. So these PhonePe persons are taking permission from the electricity department by following some rules and regulations and guidelines and everything. So that what happened, this electricity department are trusting this application. So that whatever the information they have, okay, that all the information they are sharing through URLs. That URL can be called as REST API. So that the electricity department are not sharing their database details. What is the database name? What is the database username? What is the database password? What is that database URL? Everything they are not sharing, but only the data they are sharing. Okay, everybody. Sir, can I also want to keep this? Can I get the data? No, you need to follow some rules and regulations. Okay, you need to get some permissions also. Then only that electricity department will share our information. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
So this one are doing. In the same way, mobile recharges also. In the same way, LIC also. So here, what is the advantage? Very simple. Here we are using only one application, but we are able to do multiple works. Previous days, what happens? We need to open each and every application manually, and there we need to register each and every application manually, and through that application we are able to pay that. But now we are able to registering only one application like PhonePe. Then onwards you can pay our all the bills also. LIC bill, bike insurance, electricity bill, and mobile recharges and everything also. So application is one, but we are doing multiple works. Okay, that's it. This is the advantage of the REST APIs. Okay, everybody, clear or not? Why we are using REST APIs? Respond, everyone. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, right. So this is it. Okay, right. So by using this Angular, what we can develop? We can develop web applications and mobile applications also. So here I will teach you web applications. Okay, of course, mobile applications also same way of programming only. Right. So whatever it may be, what we can do, we can develop web applications. Okay, everyone. So for example, there is no web applications are working in the world. That means no banking application is not supporting web applications. Okay, no e-commerce project also working. Okay, no social media also working. No news portals are working. Okay, no information sharing websites are working. Okay, is there any loss to the world or not? That means in the internet you are not getting anything. So that means there is no internet. Think like that. Okay, everybody, is there any loss to the world or not? Respond, everyone. Before 30 years there is no internet also, but still human beings are existed. Still they have survived. Okay, just 30 years only we are getting this internet. So if suddenly internet is gone, is there any loss to the world or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Others respond.
Yes, sir.
Definitely there is a huge loss. Why? Because nowadays everything is working depends upon the internet only. For example, banking applications. Okay, in a single family, at least we have 3 to 4 accounts. Mother has to get benefits from the government. That's why she has to maintain a bank account. Father has to get benefits from the government. That's why he has to maintain the benefits from the government. Understand, everybody? He has to get the benefit from the government. That's why he has to maintain a bank account. So children also has to get some scholarships, fees, reimbursement, these things. That's why they also has to maintain the bank account. So if there is no online transactions, then what happens? Everybody has to go to the bank manually. Only that 4 persons? No. From each and every family, 4 persons. Or else how many people are there? How many people are having bank accounts? All the persons has to go to bank related branches. Then what happens? There is always huge crowd will be there. So they cannot complete their work in a single day. They need to wait so many hours and hours. Then will get a token. Okay. After they will get a token. Sometimes they will get the token after 1 week. Then what happens? They need to come again after 1 week. They need to complete their financial work. Not only that, in this 1 week, again they need to transfer the money to some other persons. Clear or not? Understand, everyone? Again they need to transfer money to the some other persons. Okay. So again they need to go to the bank in this 1 week also, and again they need to collect the tokens. So that means they need to go to the bank daily. They need to wait half of a day. They need to collect the tokens. Next day they onwards they need to go to the bank. They need to do their work also. That means only half of a day a person can work. Then what happens? Everybody stops using the banks. That is very drawback to the country, because if nobody using the banks, we cannot track the financial status of the customers. Okay, everybody. So whatever it may be, then what happens? There is a huge loss to the world. Okay, right. Why? Because everybody has to go to the banks. They need to wait there half of a day. Half of a day only they are able to work. Okay, but luckily what we have online transactions. So if any very necessary, then only we are going to the banks. Then only we are depositing the money. Next day onwards, what are you doing? We are transferring money through online. We are transferring money through online. Understanding or not? Respond, everyone. We are transferring money through online. Clear it, everybody? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So that what is the advantage? We are reducing the people's time. We are saving the people's time. Who are we? Software engineers. What we do? We will develop web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications. Especially with the help of web applications and mobile applications, people are saving there so much time also. Okay, right. And previous days, whenever you want to get the information, money transaction information, what happens? We need to go to the bank. We need to wait hours and hours. Then they will give that print in this thing. Okay, in our passbook. Before that internet evolution, they need to write in each and every person's book. If anybody made any simple mistake, instead of 1 lakh, if they write 10,000, unnecessary confusion will come. And again, we need to go to the banks daily and we need to clear our mistakes also. It will take a lot of time only. They need to refer so many account books. But now it is very simple. Everything is storing in their online. So for example, today I have deposited 10,000. After you have spent that money 1 week. Suddenly you are finding in your account only 2,000 only. So you are confusing where you have spent 8,000 in this 1 week. So that what happens? You can open your history, or else you can okay the phone pay, or else you can go to the your bank related application. You can see all your financial report also, where you have spent, from where you got, from where you have spent, and everything you will check. But previous days it will take lot of time only. But now we are getting all your money transaction reports also very faster and very easily. Clear it, everyone? How this is happening? Because of the web applications. So that we are saving so much of person's time, and not only that, we are providing accuracy reports. There is no cheating. Okay, everyone, right? And previous days, okay, if you want to prepare any examinations, government examinations or anything, we need to go to that particular area. Okay, we need to purchase that books. Why? Because in that particular area only that books will available. For example, civils books available only in the Delhi. Then after they have coming to Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad and everywhere also. But nowadays also, if you want to purchase civils books, you cannot get from your town or else in your village. We need to go to state capital, at least a district capital level we need to go. Okay, right. Some people, okay, some books are available not in the district capital also, state capital. Some books are not available in the state capital also, national capital only. So a poor person can go to Delhi and he can come back. That means to go 3 days, to return back 3 days. Okay, to stay there at least 1 to 2 days. So again, so he has to spend there 1 week to 10 days. So he has to lose all his 10 days money to purchase some books. Understand, everybody? Respond, everyone. Okay, right. But nowadays, what we are doing? We are so lucky. We are now online e-commerce websites are there. So we are order all the books in the online. Of course, if you are very poor, if you don't have smartphone also, no need to worry. You can go to any internet point. There you can order the books. Once that internet point owner receive that books, okay, you can pay the money to him and you can collect your books. So what is the advantage? No need to go to the Delhi manually, so that you are saving 1 week time. In this 1 week you can work, so that you can earn some money also. And whenever you got the books, then what happens? Morning 6 to evening 5 you can work. Evening okay, 6 to night 12 you can read. And again a night 12 to morning 6 you can sleep. And again morning 6 you can work also. Understand, everybody? So no need to stop your works. You can work and you can read also. How this is happening? Because of this online web applications only. Okay, everybody can order anywhere. Throughout the nation they can purchase. Okay, everyone. Or else if you have any personal interest, for example, you want to purchase Levi's shirts, but there is no Levi's showroom in your town or else nearby city also, then what happens? You can order in the online. What is the advantage? You can go to the clothes and with offers you will get sometimes. Okay, so that you can fulfill your small dreams also. Okay, government exams like that, big dreams also you can achieve. Small personal interest also you can fulfill. How? Because of the web applications. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. How this is happening? Because of the web and mobile applications only. Who are developing this? Software engineers only. Okay, everybody, what is the advantage of the software engineers? They are saving people's time. Okay, everybody, we are not just comedians in the movies. So many movies they will portray software engineers as just a comedian, something like that. But actually, we are helping to the world also. By programming, we will get the salary. With the salary, we can survive. Not only we are surviving, we are helping to the world. We are helping to the world. How? By saving the people's time, by providing accuracy reports. Okay, everybody, right? This is the advantage of the software industry also. Okay, everyone. Farmers, soldiers, software engineers are very important nowadays in the world. Okay, everybody, right? We are playing crucial role in evolution of the world. Why? Because we are providing web application. Through web applications, what we can do? We can provide the information. Through information, what will you get? You will evolve. For example, you don't know anything about Angular before 1 week, but last 2 days you are attending my classes. We are getting some information. So that what happens? You have evolved something related to Angular knowledge. Understand everybody? And within 1 month, within 2 months, you will get more evaluation also. Why? Because I am providing you information. So with the help of information, what we can do? We can evolve. That means we can improve ourselves. So with the help of web applications and mobile applications, we are spreading the information. With the help of the information, the world is evolving. So we are playing crucial role in world evolution. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Okay. Okay. Right. So this is the importance of the internet and the web applications, and this is the role of the software employees in the world. Okay, everybody. Right. I'm not boasting. I am telling the facts. Respond everyone. These are all facts or not? Whatever I told about software industry, do they are facts or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, they are.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's it, everyone. So today also I'm not able to discuss about this MVC structure, but don't worry. Tomorrow definitely I will discuss about this MVC structure and the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript. Okay, everybody. Right. This is the class for today, everyone. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you very much.
Excuse, one minute, sir.
Yeah.
No-
Suresh,
notes,
one
notes.
sec- Yeah, 1 second. After making payment, everybody, okay, I will share all the videos and files, okay, by Friday. Understand, everybody? Hello?
Okay, I have already made payment.
Yeah. Right. I
So,
think Suresh, you, Amir. Okay, you, Amir. Okay.
okay, please, and at least I need notes like everyday notes. Otherwise, it will become a burden after.
Okay. See, these
Okay.
notes you are expecting.
Yeah,
These notes I'm not
this,
writing.
yeah.
Right? Through. See, these notes I'm not writing, right? So that's videos I will provide. Okay. Right.
So,
These
okay, what
videos I'm
about
not
the
writing.
notes, daily notes? Like, for example, tomorrow we will start our class. What about that notes? Do we need to, I mean, note
Yeah, I will give
continuously?
that. Yeah, I will give that. Okay. Definitely I will
Okay,
give
okay,
that. Yeah,
okay,
right.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Amir. Okay. Right. Thank you very much, everybody. So yeah, definitely whoever made the payment, definitely they will get the videos by Friday. Okay, everybody, I will collect all the okay our emails and I will give you the pre-recorded videos.
And
Okay,
one
everybody.
more thing, like if there
Yeah.
is any group like where you can add us,
No, Amir, there is
to
no
get
any
specific information.
no, Amir, I don't have any groups, but I will provide the information through email. Okay. If any class
Okay,
cancellations or anything there, definitely I will inform through email. Okay. Right.
okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, Amir. Right. Yes. Thank you very much, everyone. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll continue. Okay. Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.